Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry at gmail.com, Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry, with the phone number is +8491 432 6556, or you can also scan the QR code on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Hồng Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor. You can contact her with the email hong.nguyen@vcsc.com.vn, with the phone number is +8491 432 6556. We always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trần Đạo Street, Hoàng Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about VIB, strong net interest income growth boosted by net interest margin expansion. Established in 1996, VIB is the third smallest bank in our coverage universe in terms of total assets and brick and mortar network as of December 31st, 2021. VIB's strategy focuses on retail banking. The bank was registered for trading on UPCOM in 2017 and listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange in November 2020. And this is the report which was collected by Viet Capital Security of Vietnam International Bank VIB with the industry's banking on October 31st, 2022. Current price of VIB is 19,600 Vietnam dong. Target price 32,000 Vietnam dong. Upside 63.3%. Dividend yield 0%. TSR 63.3%. Rating by strong net interest income growth boosted by net interest margin expansion. VIB released 9 months 2022 results with bottom line net profits of 6.3 trillion Vietnam dong, $255 million US, plus 46.3% year-over-year, achieving 74% of our full year 2022 forecast. The increase in net profits after tax was mainly due to 1. A 31.3% year-over-year increase in net interest income, and 2. 17.6% year-over-year increase in net other interest income that outweighed 3. A 12% year-over-year increase in OPEX, and 4. 1.2% year-over-year increase in provision expenses. In addition, Q3 2022 net profit after tax amount was 2.2 trillion Vietnam dong, plus 1.7% year-over-year, and overall, VIB's 9 months 2022 profits was in line with our forecast. 9 months 2022 credit growth was 11.8%, which was derived from 1. Gross loan growth of 12.2%, and 2. A 17.6% decrease in a corporate bond balance from a low base in 2021. VIB's current credit quota is 13%. 9 months 2022 deposit growth was 8.9%, but Q3 2022 customer deposits decreased 4.1% Q-over-Q. In addition, the Q2 2022 CASA ratio was 13.7% compared to 16.3% as of year-end 2021. 9 months 2022 CIR improved 5.2 PPTS year-over-year to 34.6%. mainly thanks to robust 28.7% year-over-year TOI growth. 9 months 2022 annualized write-offs to gross loans dropped down to 0.40% compared to 0.45% for full year 2021. Restructured loans dropped from 666 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to 0.3% of VIB's total loan book in Q2 2022 to 415 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to 0.2% of the total loan book. In Q3 2022, VIB has full provisions for these loans. Net interest margin improvements boosted net interest income growth amid limited credit quarter. VIC's 9 months 2022 net interest margin increased 32 basis point year-over-year thanks to, firstly, a 43 basis point year-over-year increase in the IEA yield that outweighed, secondly, a 14 basis point year-over-year increase in COF. Following the net interest margin expansion, 9 months 2022 net interest income was 11 trillion Vietnam dong, more than 31.3% year-over-year and completed 74% of our full-year forecast. According to VIB's disclosure, retail loans accounted for 89% of the bank's loan book and corporate bonds accounted for around 1% of its total credit balance as of Q3 2022. Given the recent increases in deposit rate caps, VIB expects to transfer the impact of the rate hike on its funding cost to lending rates in order to support net interest margin. In addition, VIB stated in its October 36th analyst meeting that it expects to receive a new disbursement of an offshore loan amounting to $150 million in late October that will be used for long-term funding. Customer deposits dropped on a Q-off-Q basis, which was mainly driven by term deposits. As of Q3 2022, customer deposits decreased by 8.1 trillion Vietnam dong compared to Q2 2022, which was driven by one, a 6.6 trillion Vietnam dong decrease in term deposits and two, 1.5 trillion Vietnam dong decreased in CASA volume. As a result, VIB's Q3 2022 CASA ratio was relatively flat at 13.7% compared to 13.9% in Q2 2022. Fee income from bank insurance picked up in Q3 2022. 9 months 2022 net other interest income was 2.3 trillion Vietnam dong, more than 17.6% year-over-year, mainly thanks to one, 31.4% year-over-year increase in NFI that outweighed two, a 3.6 times year-over-year increase in lots from trading foreign exchange. 9 months 2022 year-over-year growth in NFI was mainly contributed by a 76% year-over-year increase in income from bank insurance services, in which Q3 2022 income from bank insurance services increased 123% compared to Q2 2022. Overall, 9 months 2022 net other interest income completed 66% of our full-year forecast, which tracks slightly behind our expectation. Asset quality deteriorated slightly. As of Q3 2022, VIB's LPI ratio was 2.35%, minus 10 basis point Q of Q and more than 23 basis point year of year. Meanwhile, Route 2 loans to gross loans increased 45 basis point year of Q to 3.26%, which indicates potential upward pressure on VIB's credit cost in the future. In our view, 9 months 2022 provision expenses were 926 billion Vietnam dong, more than 1.2% year-over-year, completing 56% of our full-year forecast, as we expect higher provision expenses and write-offs in H2 2022 to improve VIB's NPL ratio to less than 2%. And this is the VIB's consolidated 9 months 2022 results. You can take a look on the screen. That is the table with very detailed statistic. In 9 months 2021, 9 months 2022, year-over-year, Q3 2021, Q3 2022, and year-over-year. And that's all what I want to share with you in this video. That brings me to the end of my presentation about VIB. Hope this video and some information will be useful for you. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the information on the screen. And thank you for your listening. See you next time.